In this video, I will show you that how you convert the low value assets into MNT coin. After that, how you can convert them into USDT using the Bybit Exchange. In the previous video, I have already shown you that how you can convert the remaining small assets into BNB coin. After that, how you can convert them or sell them for the USDT. So in this video, we will talk about the Bybit Exchange. So here you can see I have already opened Bybit Exchange on my cell phone. And here you can see the current market price, just like the BTC, which is currently $1,04,000 USDT. If you want to keep update from the market, you can join my Telegram group, which is 100% free. You can find the link from the description. Now let's come on the assets. So on the asset, you have to come on the trading. And on the trading, here you can see I have purchased and sell some coins. Just like currently you can see I have BTC coin 0.09. If I purchase and sell any other coin, let me show you. Purchase some Ethereum, buy. For example, I want to buy Ethereum for the 10 USDT. Alright, now I have purchased 10 USDT Ethereum. Let me show you on the trading. So here we got 9.96 USDT of Ethereum. Now I want to sell all of these Ethereum. Come on the trade, sell. And here you can see I want to sell 100% of the Ethereum using the market price. Click on the sell. Now come on the assets, trading, and here you can see I have sell all the Ethereum, but still 0.02 USDT are available in Ethereum. Now I can't sell this. So if you have a bigger amount, just like 100 USDT of Ethereum, 200 USDT of Ethereum, or 300 USDT of any coin, but you will see a remaining amount here, maybe sometimes few dollars and sometimes few cents. Now Bybit Exchange provide you a facility that you can convert these remaining coins into MNT coin, which is provided by the Bybit Exchange. Now to convert these coins, you just have to select this arrow. Here you can see. After that you can see low value coins here. So I have only 2 coins. Maybe you have a long list. Select which coin you want to convert into MNT. Then press convert. After that you can see convert to MNT. Estimated amount will be 0.100 and you have to pay a small fee for that. Then click on the confirm and here we go. Here you can see our BTC and Ethereum coin has been converted into MNT. So in this way you can convert low value assets into MNT. After that you can sell MNT coin into USDT or any other pair which you want. I hope you understand this video. If you face any problem, please comment down below. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.